to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, we will continue with our math subject. Okay, before we begin, I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer? Good. Suppose students, you went in the market. Okay, you went in the market with your parents. Okay, and there you saw red apples. What you saw? Red apples. Okay, do you like apples? Good. It's good to have apple every day. Okay, so there you saw red apple and you want to buy it, means you want to take it. Okay, then you will go to the seller. आप क्या करोगे? वो सेलर के पास जाओगे और क्या बोलोगे? एप्पल दे दो, है ना? तो वो आपको एप्पल दे देगा. बदले में आप उसको क्या दोगे? If he will give you apple like 1 kg, half kg, how much you want? Okay, so if he will give you apple, then in return what you will give? Yes, उसने एप्पल दिया आपको, तो आप उनको क्या देना पड़ेगा? Yes, you have to give money. What do you have to give? Money. Without money he will give you apples? No. Yes ना students, आपको क्या देने पड़ेंगे? पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपने पैसे नहीं दिया तो वो एप्पल्स देगा क्या? नहीं देगा, है ना? So today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, money. Okay everyone, this money we will use to buy, to purchase the things. money हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? कुछ लाने के लिए, कुछ खरीदने के लिए हम मनी यूज करते हैं. लेन देन करने के लिए हम मनी यूज करते हैं. ओके, इन आवर इंडिया देर आर notes and coins. Okay, in our India the currency is notes and coins. हमारे इंडिया में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? करेंसी, पैसे क्या यूज करते हैं? नोट्स यूज करते हैं और कॉइन्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ आई विल शो यू. वी हैव कॉइन्स ऑफ लाइक 1 rupee. Okay, can you see this? Yes, this is 1 rupee coin. Again 2 rupees also we have. Yes na? And like that we have notes also. Okay, in detail about the notes and coins we will study further. So understood? Introduction about the money. Yes, why we use money? To buy, to purchase something. Yes or no? लेन देन करने के लिए हम मनी यूज करते हैं. एंड इन आवर इंडिया द करेंसी इज नोट्स एंड कॉइन्स. ओके, अगर आप कुछ भी लाना हो, इफ यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग बट मनी इज compulsory, without money nobody will give you nothing. Okay, so students, we will start with our new chapter, that is money. Everyone look in your textbook. Look in your textbook everyone. Chapter 6, money. Page number 107. Got it? This page? Okay. Now first we will start with our warm up. This is a toy shop. Okay, can you see here? It's a toy shop. खिलौने की दुकान. Circle the toys you would like to have. What they have asked? Circle the toys you would like to have. So this you can do by your own students. Means here there are some toys. So whatever you like it, you can circle. If you want to like to have this teddy bear, you can circle. Ball, doll, badminton, dog, anything you can take. Okay, so you have to circle this. क्या Can you see here, students? There is a label. Can you see here label? Each toy has label on it. Can you see? See this 50, 100, 50, 10. Can you see 20? What is this, students? Why they have put label? लेबल क्यों लगाया है उन लोगों को? यस, क्योंकि ये उनकी प्राइस है. क्या है? प्राइस है, उनकी कीमत है, इसलिए वो लेबल लगाया है. Whenever if you will go in the market also, they will keep like this label na, to dress, to toys, to fruits, they will hang. Yes or no? So these are the price of that thing. Okay, so this teddy bear you can buy for 20 rupees. This aeroplane is for 50 rupees. Like this they have given the label. Now what we are going to learn ahead? Money, notes and coins. As I have told you, in our India, in money we will use notes and coins. And exchange of money. Yes, exchange of money. That is the marketing skill. Means if you will go in the market and all, how you will purchase, how you will exchange, how many you will give. These things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay? Ready? Fine. My way ahead. Shopping with mom. Oh, do you go with your parents for shopping? To buy toys, clothes, jeans, t-shirt. You will go now for festivals, for your birthday. Yes na? Yes, it's very fun to have shopping. Yes na? So here also Manjit is going out for shopping with his mother. Read their conversation. How much for the juice? Okay, they went at the juice corner and Manjit's mother asked how much for the juice. Okay, so one glass of juice is for how much? The mother is asking. So the shopkeeper, what he says? Rupees 20 only. What he says? Rupees 20 only. मतलब 20 रुपए है ना. 20 रुपीज यानी 20 रुपए. 20. So a glass of juice is for 20. Then what mother gives? 20 rupees to the shopkeeper. Here you go, rupees 20. Can you see here? 20 rupees. Yes, he gives to shopkeeper. Understood? Next, this is for rupees 80 only. Okay, then they go to bakery and their mother asks for a cake. Then the shopkeeper says the cake is for 80 rupees. So every time mom buys something, she gives something to the shopkeeper. I wonder what it is. So when Manjit thinks all this, what he just imagine, जब भी मम्मी कुछ ना कुछ तो लेती है शॉपकीपर से, तो मम्मी क्या करती है? वो शॉपकीपर को कुछ ना कुछ तो देती है. तो ये सब क्या है? ये मंजित को समझ में नहीं आया, तो वो सोचते रहता है. Can you guess what did Manjit's mother gave to the shopkeeper to buy these things? Can you answer? To buy this juice glass, to buy the cake, what the mother has given? जूस का ग्लास लेने के लिए, केक लेने के लिए मंजित के मम्मी ने क्या दिया शॉपकीपर को? Yes, she has given money. What she has given? Money. Then only the shopkeeper has given juice and cake. Okay, so can you guess what did Manjit's mother give to the shopkeeper to buy the things? So money is the answer. So you can write here money. Okay, can you see here? She is giving 20 rupees note to buy the juice glass, and here also the cake is for 80 rupees. So she will give 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, so in the market for exchanging things and all, we will use money. Okay, see on the next page, write that money in the blank. Write that money in the blank. Wrote. See on the next page, money. Money is used by everyone. Without money we cannot buy anything. Every country has its own money and each is called by the different name. Okay, see, money is used by everyone. ओके, मनी हम पैसे हम सब लोग यूज़ करते हैं, है ना। पैसे के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं होता है और कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है। मिलता है क्या हमें? अगर किसी दुकान में जाओ तो चॉकलेट मिलेगा आपको, पैसे के बिना नहीं मिलेगा। सो विदाउट मनी वी कैनॉट बाय एनीथिंग। एवरी कंट्री हैज़ इट्स ओन मनी एंड ईच इज कॉल्ड बाय डिफरेंट नेम। Okay, our India, again there are many countries, so different countries have different money and they call in different way. In our India we call coins, notes, like that. In other country they call something else. Okay, in India we call money rupees and paise. What we call? Rupees and paise. That is, see, rupees means I have told you that is coins and notes. What? Coins and notes. तो coins में जो पैसे आते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे पैसे और रुपीस भी बोलते हैं, और जो ऐसे नोट में आते हैं वो रुपीस होते हैं। क्या होते हैं? रुपी होते हैं। ओके, सो दीज आर कॉइन्स एंड दीज आर द नोट्स। Notes and coins are used as money. The different notes and coins used in India are given below. हमारी इंडिया में हम पैसे मतलब पैसे जैसे नोट्स और कॉइन्स, ये जो है ये पैसे है, इस ये हम यूज करते हैं मार्केट में। और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे यानी कॉइन्स है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉइन्स देर आर, different notes also there are. So we will see first coins and then we will see the notes. First coin is, can you see this? Yes, this is 10 rupee coin. What? 10 rupee coin. Can you see here? Rupees 10 is written over here, है ना, दिखाई दे रहा है ना। वहाँ पे उस कॉइन पे कौन सा नंबर है? 10 है, इसीलिए हम उसे 10 रुपी कॉइन बोलते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज 10 रुपी कॉइन. You have seen this 10 rupee coin in your day-to-day life. Your mother, father, even you have used this 10 rupee coin. Now the next is, which number is written over here? Good, it's 5. So we call 5 rupee coin. What we call? 5 rupee coin. 5 रुपए वाला coin. Okay. Now the next is, which number is there, students? Yes, 2 rupees. What? 2 rupees. So we call it as 2 rupee coin. Here you can see India, Bharat, 4 lions, Satyameva Jayate, all the things are written. Okay, so this coin is called 2 rupee coin. And here one more is there. Which number is written over there? Good, 1. So this is 1 rupee coin. What it is? 1 rupee coin. Here you can see the number, thumb, and here they have written rupee. Okay, 1 रुपया लिखा है उन्होंने, है ना. So this is 1 rupee coin. And the next is this 50 पैसे coin. Okay, 50 पैसे coin. देखो, see students, means before before few years we were using this 50 paisa, but now they have stopped. They have not using the 50 paisa coin. बहुत साल पहले हम ये 50 पैसे यूज़ करते थे, लेकिन अभी 50 पैसे कोई यूज़ नहीं करता है, डायरेक्ट 1 रुपी से चालू करते हैं. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी, जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज, दिस इज 50 पैसा coin. Here you can see rupees 50, means 50 number is there, 4 lions. Okay, and they have given here Bharat, India. So this is 50 paise coin. Okay, so this was all about the coins. 10 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, 50 paisa. These are the coins. Okay, coins, they are made up of metal also, yes, and steel also. Fine. Now next we are going to see notes. What? Notes, N-O-T-E-S, notes. Now in notes, which money do we have? Let us see. See, the first is, which number is written over here, students? Which number is there? 100, 100. Which number is there? 100. So this is called 100 rupee. What we call? 100 rupee नोट, है ना. 100 रुपी का नोट होता है, कॉइन नहीं होता है. So this is 100 rupee note. Here you can see on the note Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of nation. Yes na, Mahatma Gandhi ji you can see, and upside they have written Reserve Bank of India, 100 rupaye, and here you can see some number. Okay, this is the note number. What it is? Note number. So this is 100 rupee note. Okay, next is 50 rupees. Which one? 50 rupees. Okay, here also you can see the number 5050. Okay, and the picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Reserve Bank of India, number you can see. Yes na students, so this is 50 rupee note. Okay, next note is, which number you can see here? 20. Yes, 20. What? 20. So here also you can see it is little bit like red color. So here also you can see Mahatma Gandhi ji, 20 rupaye, Reserve Bank of India, and here number you can see on the note, and here 4 lions. Okay, so this is 20 rupee note. Next is here. Which number is there, students? Can you tell me which number is there? Good, it's 10, 10. How much? 10, 10. Same on, how do we have the this one, picture, number and all on other notes? Same we have over here on 10 rupee note also. Okay, and the next is 5 rupee note. How much? 5 rupee note. 5 रुपए का कॉइन भी होता है और 5 रुपए का नोट भी होता है. Okay, so these are the, just a minute students, so these are the notes. What they are? These are the notes. Okay, so we have seen different notes and coins. So some of they have only in the notes and some they have only in coins, and some amount they have both in coins also and notes also. Okay, so saving money is a good habit. We must save money. We can save our money in a money बैंक. देखो ये जो पैसे हैं ना बच्चों, उन्हें हमें क्या करना चाहिए? सेव करना चाहिए, सेविंग करना चाहिए, है ना. हमें कहाँ पे भी हमारे पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. जैसे आप सेविंग करते हो वो अच्छी आदत है. और कहाँ पे हम सेव कर सकते हैं? मनी बैंक में. कहाँ पे? मनी बैंक में, है ना. अगर आपकी पिगी बैंक है तो उसमें भी आप सेव कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप अपने पेरेंट्स के पास भी सेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो सेविंग मनी इज गुड. So we have seen different coins and different notes. Now my experiment with maths. Collect the pictures of new and old currency notes of India. Now paste the same in your scrapbook and decorate. Also try tracing both faces of different coins in your scrapbook. See what we have to do. We have to collect the different this one coins and notes, both old and new, which were used in India, and we have to stick that in the book and we have to nicely decorate it. Okay, or else you can trace also. trace करते हैं ना, ऊपर क्या करना है? नीचे पेज के नीचे हमें कॉइन रखना है और ऊपर पेंसिल से स्क्रैच करना है, तो आपको वैसे ही कॉइन मिलेगा ऊपर. फाइन. So this was just an experiment. So if you want to do, you can do it. My practice time 1. My practice time 1. Okay, Shreya goes to a toy shop with some money. Each item in the shop has a price tag. Match the item with the note that can be used to pay for it. Now Shreya, she went in the toy shop and there she can see some variety of items and she wants to buy it. Okay, so she has some money and there are some items, so you have to match the amount of that thing to the correct note or coin. Ready everyone? See, Shreya goes to the toy shop with some money, so she is having some money with her. Each item in the shop has a price tag. As I have told you, these are the labels, so it is called price tag. And match the item with the note that can be used to buy. Now this comic book means, yes, story, cartoon book. So this is for 50 rupees. How much? 50 rupees. So you have to give 50 rupees to shopkeeper, then he will give you the comic book. Okay, so where you can find the 50 rupees note? Where you can find the 50 rupees note? 50 means 50. Yes na? So where you can find? Here it is 10, so this is 10 rupees. Here is 20, 20, so 20 rupees. Here is 50, 50, so this is 50 rupees. Good. So this comic book you have to join to this 50 rupees. Okay, come on, do it. Do it fast. Finish. Next, now this ketchup sauce bottle is for how much? What is the price? It's 100. 100. Very good. So where you can see the 100 rupees note? 100 rupees की नोट कहाँ दिखाई दे रही है आपको? Yes, you can see at the last. Can you see 100, 100? Yes. So here you can join 100 rupees. Okay, come on, do it. Students, tell me which common picture is there on every note? सभी नोट पे एक कॉमन पिक्चर है ना? किसी की तो इमेज है, वो कौन सी है? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Who is Mahatma Gandhi ji? On each and every note you can see the this one picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, so he is a father of the nation. That's why his picture is there on each and every note. Okay. Next is chips packet. The chips packet is for rupees 10. How much? Rupees 10. So where you can find the 10 rupees note? To our left? Yes, here. So you can join like this. Finish. Now the next is crayons box, and the crayons box is for rupees 20. 20 रुपए. तो कहाँ पे है? सिर्फ एक नोट रह गई है. हाँ, यहाँ पे. So you can join it. Okay, do. Done, students? Okay, so we use different coins and notes to buy the things. Now students, in real I will show you some notes and coins which we use in our daily life. Okay, so see, first I will show you the coins. See, this is how much? Which number is there? 1. Good. So this is 1 rupee coin. How much? 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now this is which one? Which is the number written over here? 2. So this is 2 rupees coin. Okay. Next. How much? Which number is there? 5. How much? 5. So this is 5 rupees coin. Okay. So now we have seen the coins. Now we will see the notes. See. Can you see this note? Yes. Which number is there on this note? Just a minute. Which number is there? 1, 0, 10. So this is 10 rupees note. How much it is? 10 rupees note. Here you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and here you can see the number. Here they have written Reserve Bank of India. So this is 10 rupees note. Okay. Next is this. Which number is there, students? Which number is there? 100. What it makes? 100. Very good. So this is 100 rupees note. Okay. Here also you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Number is written. Okay. 100. 100. 100 is there. And here Reserve Bank of India they have given. Okay. So this is 100 rupees note. Next is, which note it is? How much amount? Which number is there? 200. 200. How much? 200. 200. Okay. So this is 200 note. So this is 200 note. Here they have written, see, 200, 200. Here also you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Number is there, Reserve Bank of India. Okay. And here also back side also you can see the specs. Okay. So, and here you can see the Sanchi Stupa. So this is 200 note. Okay. So students, in our India we have different notes and coins which we use as money. Okay, to buy, to purchase the things. लेन देन करने के लिए हम पैसे यूज करते हैं. Okay, hope you have understood about the money till now. Further things we will see in the next period. Thank you everyone. Bye.